In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Freshsales. Freshsales makes it easy to export important records into a CSV file, which is useful for reporting, creating backups, or moving data into another system. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head over to Settings. This is where you'll find the account-level options related to managing data and system preferences. Inside Settings, use the search or navigation area to find Account Settings, then click into it. From there, select Export Data. This opens the Export tool, where you can choose exactly what information you want to download. The first thing to set is the time period. In this example, choose Last 90 days. This filter helps narrow the export to only the records that were updated or created within that recent time frame, which is especially helpful if you don't need your entire database. It keeps the file smaller and easier to review. Next, choose the records you want to export. Start by selecting Contacts. This typically includes the people stored in your CRM, along with their associated details. Then click Accounts, which usually refers to the companies or organizations linked to your contacts and deals. After that, select Deals to include your sales opportunities and pipeline data. Continue by clicking Notes. This can be helpful if you want a record of comments or context added throughout your sales process. Then select Tasks, which includes action items assigned in the CRM, followed by meetings for scheduled interactions and calendar-related activity. After that, click Call Logs to export tracked call information, and then Custom Sales Activities if your team uses custom activity types beyond the default options. Next, select Users. This can help you identify which team members are associated with records or activities in the export. Then click Email Logs, which generally includes metadata about email activity. Finally, include email conversations if you also want conversation-related email records as part of your export. As you go, it's a good idea to double-check each selection so the final CSV contains everything you need and nothing extra. Once all your export options are selected, click Export Data. Freshsales will begin generating the CSV file. If the export is small, the download may begin automatically. For larger exports, it may take a few minutes and you might receive a notification or an email with a download link depending on your account settings. When it's ready, save the CSV file to your computer in a folder you can easily find later, and that's how to export data from Freshsales. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.